Alright, I'm out here at the Center Street Railroad crossing in Collierville, Tennessee. As you can see, there is an upgrade here to this crossing, like with the other ones. Also, this gate mech looks like it's twisted out. Yeah, I imagine the main channel will fix that eventually. But as you can see, the bell here is replaced with the General Signals electronic bell. That's a bit of a shame, because this is a fully original 80s NS install otherwise. But at least the rest of the crossing is still the same. In fact, even still got the older lenses on these lights, which is really nice. Probably won't film this guy though, at least today. But yeah, here's just a quick look at the upgrade here to the bell replacement here at the Center Street Railroad crossing in Collierville, Tennessee. Over and out.